Okay, so you guys are learning about multiplication, right?
Yeah.
Turn to your partner and tell them one thing that you know about multiplication.
If you're trying to find
A way to find an answer, something that you know about multiplication. And also, oh, what does it help people learn? Yeah, your multiplication facts and how to do repeated addition. Okay, good. Groups of, I heard you say, I like that. So I heard you say a lot of these different things. You have equal groups of, and it means times. What is this? That's the sign for times. Good. And it does say array. Do you know what an array is? No?
Isn't it like
Okay. But we can do that in another class. It's repeated addition, isn't it? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to leave this here if anybody needs to look at it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 2 cards. One to you and one to your partner. And you can figure out the groups up any way you want. You can build it. You can use bingo chips. You can draw it. You can use a number line, however you want, whatever you like. Well, you and your partner each choose a different way. Talk to your partner about it. So, I'm going to give this group 2 groups of 7 and 3 groups of 4. Do you have a prediction group? Which one is bigger? You're guessing this one? And you guess this one. Can you tell me why?
actually
I need a reason why. Why are you thinking this way?
because that says 2 groups, not says 3 groups.
Okay, so
Actually, I did that.
2 groups you are thinking is smaller than 3 groups? Oh, why? Tell me why you chose this one.
Because then all 3 is less than 2.
3 is
More
than 2? Okay, so you think this one will be bigger or this one? Okay, but if 3 is more, how can this one be bigger?
It's the same.
And you think it's the same? Okay, well your job is to find out. So you do this one and you do this one. And then you're going to share the answer.
2 groups of 7.
Okay, and you are going to do 2 groups of 6 and 4 groups of 3. Which one do you think is going to be bigger? Why? Because this one says 4 groups. And how many is in this one? And which number is more? 4 or 2? 4. So you're thinking this one's going to be bigger? I'm curious if you're right. So I would like you to figure this one out, and you figure this one out, and then we'll decide. And you can use any of the methods that you want. Oh, is that part of what I asked you to do? No, I didn't think so.
It's hard to come out it, right?
Yes. Yeah,
But when it is wrong,
right, that's right. If you let it stay, it is. And you can use blocks, of course.
I want nice.
Okay.
Get it?
7 in here? 1, 2, 3. Okay. You need to erase it. 14. 2 times 7 is 14. Because 7 plus 7 is 14, right? Okay, so you two discuss. Which one's bigger? That one is. And is that what you predicted?
Oh, and I know that. But I tried switching.
So why do you think this one's bigger?
You can even read.
Because of the answer, yeah. So even though the groups are smaller, you've got two groups of a big number of 7, right? Yeah. Okay, let's see how this group is doing.
I think they're the same.
You think they're the same? We're going to find out. Okay.
Because I know what mine is.
Okay. So you've got two groups here of 6. So what's 2 times 6? 6 plus 6 is? Yeah, we don't need that, right? What's 6 plus 6? We've got 6 here, and we've got 12. Girls, have a look at this one, please. Put caps on your markers. Can you explain what you did? You used groups of, and 4 groups of 3 is how much? 12. Good. And you did 2 groups of, and you got an answer of 12. So they are
The same.
the same. My goodness, did anybody predict that? I don't think so. Okay, cap on your marker and put them down. And tell me one thing that you noticed or wondered about or learned from doing this today. Everybody has to say one thing, and they all have to be different. So think about your answer and her answer. What makes you smart? Multiplication, how does it make you smart? How does it make you smart? Yeah, if you can already figure it out, because if you're counting all the time, that takes a long time. But if you can learn your multiplication facts, it's a lot faster, right? Yeah. You can memorize your multiplication facts, and then you don't, because if I went to the store and I wanted to buy 3 boxes of 4 granola bars, if I had to draw out circles, that'd take me a while at the grocery store. So yeah, that's a good answer. Did you think of something? Did you notice or wonder or learn anything today? What did you notice or learn?
What you said to make us smart, I was going to say that it's a cup. Because then we were learning how to add.
Well, we were learning how to add, because when we add the same number over and over, repeated addition, that's also multiplication. Thank you. Did you notice or wonder anything today about your answers? Were you surprised by anything?
That they're the same.
That they were the same. So you can have different questions, and what can happen to the answer?
They could be the same answer.
They could be the same answer. Yeah. You guys thought really hard like mathematicians today. Thank you. You can head back to your desks. Thanks, Susan.